Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace this blower motor resistor on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So when I turn the key on and I have the HVAC on and I'm going through the blower motor settings, 1, 2, 3, nothing happens. Once I get to setting number 4, it comes on full blast. So at this point, I'm gonna replace the blower motor resistor. If you have this same problem, you may need a blower motor resistor. All right, I'm gonna open the glove box, pull that open. Then on the sides, I'm just gonna use my hands and push, try to get this glove box to flip down, just like that. Now the blower motor resistor is located right here in the top of this HVAC box. What I'm gonna do is, the connector is a little tricky to disconnect. I am gonna use a pick and try to push it on this lock while I lift up on the connector. And I'll show you that right there. That's where the lock is. They don't give you much room to get your finger in there, and that'll release the tab on that. So disconnect that, move that out of your way. I'm gonna take a 8mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet, and there's 2 bolts that go down from the top. It's a little bit tricky to get your hands in here. Take these bolts out, or screws, these couple screws. All right, once that's loose, take that screw out, and I'll take the other one out. Now you need the extension more for this other one, not so much that first one. You might be able to do it without an extension. Take this out. And once it's loose, you can do it by hand. Take that screw out. And I can grab the resistor and just slide it up, just like that. Here's the old resistor. Here's the new blower motor resistor from 1aauto.com. As you can see, it's got the same shape. You look at the end, the connector is the same. The other side is the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Now I'll take the new resistor, get it in position. Slide it down, just like that. It's kind of hard, you really can't see what you're doing. There is a couple of tabs that line up with the holes on the resistor. But look at the old resistor. This is where the screws go. So with it like that, there's a screw there and a screw there. And then there's 2 little pins that line the resistor up. So I'll get both screws started just by hand. Then I'll take my 8mm socket and ratchet. I'll tighten these down. It is in plastic, so you just want to snug it, not too tight. Okay, with those tight, then I can reconnect the connector, line that up, lock it in place. We can take the glove box, push this in a little bit, close that. All right, now we're going to test it. Turn the key on, and I can hear the blower motor working on setting 1. Number 2 works on 3, and also 4. So we fixed the problem.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.